Hello everyone, this is your girl Soleil back again with another wonderful video. Today we're going to be learning the days of the week. I hope you're excited. If you had not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get the latest videos. Don't forget to like, share with your friends. So go ahead, grab your chair, sit back, relax, and let's learn. Monday. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday, Sunday.